Vanessa again. Welcome back to my channel. For new viewers, what's good? Make sure that that's a subscribe and be a part of this gang, because this gang is the latest gang of all gangs, period. As you already know, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this look. It was my very first time doing any type of SFX using scar wax, and I actually DIY'd my scar wax, as I'll tell you in the video. If y'all think that I nailed it, already give it a big thumbs up, like, period. And yeah, enjoy. First, I started to map out where I wanted my cuts to go. I was using a Chucky image off of Google I found, and I faced it towards the mirror so I could see exactly where they went. So when I took my pictures, the cuts were exactly where Chucky had his cuts. Then I just started to use scar wax that I made by myself. I made it out of flour and Vaseline, and I was afraid it wouldn't stick, but it was super sticky. It stuck just fine. I rolled small little worms the length of the scar and used a nail cleaner tool to smooth out the edges as flat as possible. My eyebrow and eye area was super difficult because it did not want to blend or stick, so I had to just make it do what it do, and I just went with it. Then I put chunks of scar wax in between my cuts to give it more texture and to make it look a little bit more real. And the wax is a little lighter than me, but it's darker than it was before I added the foundation. It got a little bit gooey, so that's why I just left it alone, and I carefully added foundation when I did the rest of my face. I tried adding the scar wax to my nose, but it wasn't working very well. It kept breaking off and it wouldn't blend well. So I just decided to take it off and not do the other scars because I was tired of working with the cream. It just wasn't working for me. I was getting all over my hands. It was getting really sticky and I kept having to wash my hands often. So I just started to do my makeup like normal. And by the way, I didn't add any lotion before I started using the scar cream because I didn't want it to slip around. I've never used it before, but I was just afraid it wasn't gonna stick. So yeah, I didn't do that. It was a bit difficult to blend by the wax because it was super soft and it was getting on my brushes and sponge. So that's something to consider. Maybe if I used the actual wax that I buy, it wouldn't give me that issue, but yeah, that was a con for me. Now for the fun part, I used a couple palettes with browns and reds and started to color the scars. I wanted them to look old and dried up. So I used black liner to darken the wounds and make the blood a little bit darker as well. My makeup brush had wax jammed in the bristles, so that was a little bit cringy. But next time, if there is a next time, I will use a paintbrush instead. Boom, this is the final look. I kept my hair wild instead of a fresh defined wash and go. Then I changed into my clothes, the shirt I already had, and then I ordered the overalls. And I was really relieved that it fit because it was a size medium instead of a 3. So yeah. Boom, so this is what it looked like. It came out really good. I wish that the DIY scar wax wasn't like falling and stuff like that, so I could have put more scars, like one right here, but it just wasn't working. So this is just gonna have to do. The overalls, I'm so glad that they fit. I ordered them from Fashion Nova, and if they didn't fit, I would have been SOL, because Halloween is right around the corner. But for y'all, this is gonna come out on Halloween, so happy Halloween. Let's go see how Xavier reacts. Babe, what are you doing?
Picking out an outfit to wear to my first season.
What do you think? Did I nail it?
You look scared. You about to scare the baby, bro. Don't do. You gotta take that off before the night falls, bro. Cause you look just like Chucky, and it's like very scary right now. I'm about to punch you, bro.
All I need is a knife.
Hey, is this my fit hard, or do I need to like put on it?
I think I nailed it. I'm gonna take some pictures, and hopefully if I take a good one, it'll be the thumbnail. This is the first time that I nailed a Halloween costume. This is the second time that I actually tried to dress up in my adult life. The last time it was me and Xavier doing something last minute when I was pregnant. If you know, you know. But yes, all I need is my knife. I'm gonna go try to find an area outside to take pictures. Hopefully I don't get any crazy looks, which I probably am. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. This was super exciting. I should have started doing this a long time ago, but now that I got it out the way. So let me know what other looks that I should try doing. Me and Xavier and the baby are gonna be something completely different. Hopefully that is a success as well. So make sure you're following, or make sure you're subscribed to the Rich family. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I love you, Nessa Gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.